If you're ready to bring some new flavor to your backyard barbecues this year, you may want to consider adding a barbecue smoker to your outdoor cooking arsenal. This video evaluates 5 of the top-rated smokers for cooking low and slow. In this review, I break down the features and performance of 5 smoker models that consistently deliver juicy, flavorful results even at low temperatures over extended cook times. Let's get started with number 5 on the list. Starting off our list at number 5 is the GMG Trek Prime 2.0 Portable Grill. A portable smoker typically seems contradictory due to smokers' large and heavy nature, making them less ideal for camping or tailgating compared to portable grills. Green Mountain Grills offers a solution with the GMG Trek Prime 2.0 Portable Pellet Grill, which doubles as a smoker. Weighing 64 pounds, it's heavy but compact enough to fit in a large car trunk and can be set up by 2 people. Despite its smaller size with a 344 square inch cooking surface, it doesn't skimp on performance. The 9-pound offset hopper keeps the smoke going for hours without a refill. It features a digital thermostat, built-in meat probe, and smart controls for remote monitoring and adjustment via your phone. However, it requires a 12-volt power source, so it must stay near your car's accessory port or a portable generator. Next, in 4th place, we have the Traeger Ironwood 885 Pellet Grill and Smoker. Traeger's top-of-the-line smoker has a huge 885 square inch cooking surface, enough to fit 10 whole chickens, 9 pork butts, or 7 racks of ribs. With its digital thermostat and large 20 pounds pellet hopper, the Ironwood 885 can smoke for a full day without the need for a refill. Add in the ability to monitor both the grill's internal temperature and food temperatures using your phone, and you have a smoker that won't tie you down for hours while it's cooking. Other notable features include a super smoke mode that cranks up smoke output for extra flavor, a sensor that alerts you when the hopper is low on fuel, and double-walled insulation that helps the smoker maintain consistent temperatures. The Traeger Ironwood 885 is expensive, but it's a serious smoker for those looking to feed a crowd. If you want the best of the best and are willing to splurge for it, I'd say it's worth it. Taking the 3rd spot is the Kamado Joe Classic Joe Grill Series I. Sure, there are plenty of smokers out there that double as grills, but most keep your food far from the flames, which is the opposite of what you need for searing a good char on a steak or burger. Kamado grills, like the Classic Joe from Kamado Joe, bring the two together and are capable of intense, searing heat up to 800 degrees. Thanks to its ceramic design, though, it can also maintain slow and low temperatures of around 200 degrees for smoking. This tremendous range makes it the ideal combination smoker or grill. The downside to the Kamado is its limited cooking space, which maxes out at 250 square inches for grilling. Kamado grills are also pricey, though their ceramic construction means they will last far longer than steel grills that will eventually rust out. In 2nd place, we have the Traeger Pro 575 Pellet Grill and Smoker. Traeger has risen to be regarded as the gold standard for pellet grills and smokers, and the Traeger Pro 575 makes it easy to see why. Its digital controller can maintain precise temperatures automatically, so you can truly set it and forget it. Just load it with pellets, dial in the temperature on the digital thermostat, and let the smoker cook. You don't even need to be nearby. It can connect to your home Wi-Fi network through Traeger's Wi-Fi technology, allowing you to monitor and control the internal temperature remotely on your smartphone. The Pro 575 is compact enough that it won't hog space on your deck or patio like other smokers, but still offers enough cooking surface to handle 5 full racks of ribs or 4 whole chickens. Add to that its excellent build quality, and the Traeger Pro 575 is indeed one of the best all-around smokers out there. Finally, at the top of our list, is the Weber Smoky Mountain 18-inch smoker. Everybody knows the iconic Weber Kettle Charcoal Grill, but the legendary grill brand also makes one of our favorite smokers. The 18-inch Smoky Mountain Bullet Smoker offers 481 square inches of cooking space divided over 2 racks, enough to hold 4 full racks of ribs. It's a basic but extremely intuitive smoker. Vents on the top and bottom allow for temperature control, and there's a removable door that makes it easy to add fuel when you need it. Plus, you can pop the top and use it as a charcoal grill when it's time for burgers and dogs. In addition to the 18-inch model, Weber makes the Smoky Mountain in a smaller 14-inch and larger 22-inch models, so you can size up or down to suit your needs and budget. Regardless of what size you choose, it's built with that same rock-solid porcelain enameled finish found on Weber's standard charcoal grills, so you can expect it to remain rust-free for a long time. I hope this review gave you a good idea of some top performers to consider for your low and slow cooking needs. Remember, with any of these smokers, you can't go wrong as long as you follow good smoking techniques. More than anything, I hope this video has you excited to fire up your new smoker for the first time. There's nothing like slicing into a perfectly smoked brisket or pork shoulder after hours of slow cooking. So don't wait, choose your smoker, and get out there and start making some barbecue to cherish. Happy smoking!